happy to see you guys today. I am Karen. In this video, I will share with you a few ways how to connect with your healing stones, healing crystals, since many of you have been interested in this topic. First of all, you need to make sure your healing crystal stones are natural before you make any connections with them. Connected at the first sight. Basically, it only happens when you are looking at a finished product, raw stone, pendant, bracelet, something that's made with natural crystal stone. The feeling would be like you get attracted by the stone. You cannot move your eyes from it and you don't even need a second thought. Next thing you know, you are already connected with it. It's more toward the spiritual connection. Hold and feel. Before you start, make sure your healing stone or your jewelry piece is fully cleansed and without other people's memory or information. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath. Clear out all the distractions in your mind. Hold your healing stone on your both hands. Look at it and ask yourself, why does this piece has been sent to you? What is its mission? How can it help you? Allow me to light up the candles. Imagine you are doing this. It's easy if you try. Okay, now get ready. Place the raw stone on your left hand. Cover it with your right hand. Relax. Accept it completely. You can close your eyes as well. Now move it to your heart chakra. Feel the weight on your left hand. Feel the energy from your palm. The energy is starting to flow from your palm to your body. Take a deep breath again. Feel the energy. And feel the energy in your body. Until the boundary between the stone and your body disappears. It seems like you have become the stone, fully accepting it. See what picture or message it's sending back to you. Now open your eyes. And sit comfortably. After doing this, you can think about the interaction with your stone just now, whether it reveals some hidden truths, hidden thoughts about yourself, or what you need to change. If you don't have any feeling this time, it's okay. Try it again a few days later. Wear and communicate. I can say that this is quite a lazy way. Remember to cleanse your healing stone jewelry before wearing. Talk to them whenever you want to. I will talk to my bracelets sometimes, saying, how are you today? And I will share with them what had happened or how I felt today. So people will ask, how do you know that you are connected with your stone? It really takes time to build the connection with your stone, most of the time. They will use their high vibration frequency to adjust your own vibration gradually. So if something amazing, good thing that's happening unpredictably, or you suddenly find out that you cannot live without your stone, that means your stone and you are connected naturally. And you don't even need to force this happen. They are natural treasures full of spirituality and come with their own energy field. It must be their mission to keep you a company in your life and make you better. My tips to you guys is that if you have noticed, many of my necklaces are hanging around this area. It's actually a better way for me to get my heart chakra stimulated, activated every day, and a better way to receive the energy from the stone. If you are interested in healing stones and making DIY jewelry, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Imagine all the people living in the crystal world. Ooh.